Hi everyone, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. Today I'm going to tell you why Angular and React frameworks are dead in 2026. Any Angular and React applications are just an overkill in the age of agentic AI or workflows. If you're spending more time in managing the complex state managements using Redux or NGRX for data, an AI agent can synthesize directly within workflows. Don't struggle between making rigid UI elements to adapt to dynamically generated content from LLMs. You'll spend weeks on pixel perfect layouts, which AI can generate in a couple of minutes. Intent driven interfaces. AI agents can generate bespoke UIs on demand or bypass them entirely. Remember, in 2026, in the AI agentic era, the most efficient UI is the one an AI can generate or completely bypass. Angular and React developers must upgrade. As AI starts building more and more UI, pure only front-end developer roles will shrink or evolve. You need to be continuously mastering AI, not the legacy frameworks. Being a specialist in a shrinking niche is what you will end up if you just focus on Angular or React. Crafting effective instructions for LLMs to generate code, UI, or workflows, which is also called prompt engineering. Designing and managing multi-agent systems using LangChain, CrewAI, etc. They are the need of the hour, and that's what the developer should evolve into. Your framework knowledge is a foundation, but it's not the finish line. You need to get into more understanding of the AI ecosystem, from data science to LangChain to Python to deployment. Think of becoming and upgrading your career by becoming an AI architect. So, not just the full stack developer or backend developer. Architecting not just the data flows, but knowledge graphs and reasoning engines. Designing systems that are fair, transparent, and secure by default. You need to start building infrastructure for massive concurrent AI operations. You can start defining by roles, tools, communication protocols, models for autonomous agents. One of the essential things that I tell everybody is to get familiarized with vector databases. That will help you optimize in the retrieval augmented generation, which is RAG pipelines. The future isn't what code you write, it's how intelligence is designed around it. So, the last thing I would tell you is AI tsunami is here. In the agentic AI era, you need to make sure that your future career is secured, not by just adopting. You need to fully expand your knowledge base proactively, learning in the areas of AI, Python, and agentic frameworks. Shift from building interfaces, which is just basically UIs, to orchestrating intelligence, right? So that is what we call AI orchestration. Become the architect who designs the brain of the application and not just the skin. Faster development cycles, more intelligent applications, and truly transformative user experiences. This isn't just a tech shift, it's a paradigm that's changing with AI. So, if you are stuck in Angular, React, or UI, upgrade yourself, get onto the board, start learning LangChain, AI, and other tools to help you upgrade your career. Thank you so much. Join me on my channel where we will start learning daily AI videos. I'll share a lot of AI tools and technologies, including vector databases, LangChain, LLMs, and much, much more. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that we continue to learn AI together. Thank you.